Hi, this is Malathi, currently working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Applications PG and Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Welcome to our video. This video is about the database administrator and the Oracle database user types. This presentation aims to explain about the distinct role and the responsibilities that are associated with the different user types who maintains the database operations. First, what is database administrator? A person or a tool who are responsible for installing, configuring and maintaining Oracle databases. Those tools are called as database administrator. How can the user manages the data? Database create and manage user accounts and assign roles and privileges to the users. And the main purpose of using database, maintaining database administrator are to maintain the backup strategies and the recovery procedures to protect the data. Application user roles and responsibilities. Whichever applications we take, behind that databases are there. If the user wants to interact with the application, they needs to interact with the databases. That relies on the interfaces without direct access. And it has limited privileges that is used to access restricted to specific data and functions. The restriction functions and restricted data can be used only by the database administrator. That is also for security and safe purpose. Then data input and retrieval process to the system are necessary for the information and for the job performance. Next, we are going to understand about the end users. Who are end users? End users are the person who uses the applications. They are individual who utilize the data stored in the database to make the decision and for the reporting. What kind of tools we are used to report? They often use reporting tools to generate insights from the data requiring read-only access. They are not able to monitor, modify or store the data. They can only access to read. Then interaction with the application. The end users who can interact with the application, who tailor their needs, providing input process and stored data. Developers' key responsibility. The developers are nothing but the application developers who can create and maintain the application that interface with the Oracle database. We can use the SQL, PL/SQL, all these kinds of tools to write queries and store the procedures. Then how do we collaborate with the database administrator? We can closely interact with the database administrator to optimize the database performance. And next we are going to see about the role of data analyst. Data analysts are the person who predicts about the future of the product. Data analysts focusing on interpreting and analyzing data which can stored in the Oracle databases, and they can provide actionable insights for the business decision. How do they can take the business decisions? They can collaborate with the various types of business units, and they need to understand the data and tailored with the data solutions. And of course they are using the queries and the techniques to extract and manipulate and visualize the data, and it can produce the complex report for stakeholders. For that we can use the data visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau to produce the data visualization. What are the responsibility of the security users? They are: one is security oversight, then audit and compliance, then incident response. These three are frequently we shall do it to maintain the responsibility of the security users. Then they can monitor the database security and ensuring the access controls frequently. And they need to conduct the audit to avoid the vulnerabilities. And they need to involve to and investigate the damage from the breaches. Next, we shall see the summary of the user data types, diverse roles, collaboration is key, importance of training. Each user type in Oracle databases play a different role. They can contribute to the overall database management and security purpose. It can be effective collaboration among database administrator, developers, analysts and end users. Those three are very important to enhance the database functionality and security process. Then what is the importance of training process? People trains and understand the end user type responsibilities are very essential for maximizing the database efficiency and security. Hope you have known about database administration tools and roles and responsibilities through this video. Thank you for watching the video.